Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Noe and this is Natural Black Girly. If you're seeing me for the first time, girl, where have you been? Click on that subscribe button to join the family and don't forget to tap on the notification bell beside it so you don't miss any of my new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, girl, thank you for checking me out again. In this video I'm going to be using 4C only for the third time. I've used it for twist, and bantu knot, and they all gave me popping results. For this video we are going to try braid out to know if it's actually going to give me a very nice popping fluffy braid out. Do you guys think it's going to give me the kind of result I'm looking towards to get? I think I'm going to get that. Stick around till the end so you can see my results. So without much talking, let's get right into the video.
Because it's natural and we just wear it like this. Physical appearance is beautiful.
I'm sure you guys must have seen the hairdresser on Instagram that says she doesn't accept 4C. Tell me what you think about 4C hair discrimination in the comments, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys one of the many ways my hair has been discriminated. I've had more than 10 horrible experiences. For this video I'm going to share only one where my hair was deemed not good enough, not corporate enough, if you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I just put my hair in a bit of section so I can work with the back part of my hair. Previously I've washed my hair, deep conditioned it with 4C only, and I slightly blow dried it out because I'm trying to go for a fluffy look like I mentioned before. If you want to see the whole wash day video and my review on 4C only, you can click on the video in the description box so you can watch that. With that being said, thank you for 4C only for sponsoring this video. Yay! I got my first section. I'm not parting my hair with any comb because it's kind of stretched. I'm just going to use my hand to part it, putting in there 2 soft leave-in conditioner on my hair. I know the instruction says you should put a little bit of water on your hair before that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put a little bit, then mix it with water on my hand. Then after that I'm going to go in with the styling cream, 2 Sleek styling cream. This stuff takes forever to go down. I'm going to take this much. Divide my hair into 3 sections. Add a bit of styling cream, then I'm gonna twist it down so I can just take it down easily. So the horror story that I'd love to share with you guys today happened in 2016. I had just gotten admission into the university to study electronics and computer engineering. Yeah, and we had our first orientation with our course advisor / exam officer. So the guy was talking to us about how to dress and everything, and then I was wearing my hair in a puff. Pointed at me, I was like, hey you, what's that thing on your hair? Guys, he was referring to my hair as that thing. I was confused for a while, then continued talking. He told me he doesn't want to see my hair like that is rough. If I cannot afford to make my hair, by making my hair means use extensions, get braids, stuff like that. Never ever wear your natural hair out to school because I'm studying engineering. So he said if I cannot afford to get my hair done, that I should just cut it. Like I'm a guy, I should just cut my crown because it's not appropriate to carry puff to school because he looked rough and everything. Well, I had just gone natural that period. I went off camera and I did all of these. I love how smooth my braids are, and I'm sure they're going to come out really nice. I'm going to finish up this front part and we're going to continue our story. So at that point that the engineer told me about how my hair should look, I was always doing this hair bearing in mind that my natural fussy hair is not enough for me to feel beautiful. It doesn't feel like something I can use and do corporate things like being an engineer, going to school, and people in school generally tag fussy hair dirty, or you are religious, or you don't have money to make your hair. So that's like the norm. Then if you have your natural hair out, they assume you can't pay for a proper weave or stuff like that. The pressure was just on, and I started visiting natural hair salons. First off, there was no natural hair salon, proper natural hair salon. Everybody there were just experimenting with natural hair, leading to the other horror story. So one time I went to a salon to get my box braids. That was in 2018. Yeah, that was 2018. At that salon there was a guy, and he told me he cannot work with my fussy hair like that. I told him, okay, can you blow my hair out so that I can get the hair? So he was like, yeah, sure, that can happen. That he just has to put relaxer and let it sit for like 5 minutes, and my hair is going to be stretched out. And I was so terrified, and I'm like, no, I actually meant use a blow dry my hair out so that my hair stretches out. It doesn't need any relaxer to stretch out. The guy was like, oh, I thought you were talking about relaxer, because there's this thing that they do in Nigeria here where you just put relaxer on your hair and then you leave it on for like 10 minutes. They feel like the chemical process of straightening the hair is not complete, then they wash it off just so the hair still has a kinky texture to it. So that was what the guy wanted to do to my hair, but apparently that was not what I was asking him to do. So he went on and he brought the blow dryer to blow dry my hair. First off, he did not section my hair. He just started going at my fussy hair while complaining your hair is so kinky and it's hard. How do I comb it? The comb he was using was not white tooth comb. It was horrible. My hair fell out so much that day because he kept on combing, and I kept on telling him, can you start from the ends please? And he was like, okay, I'm gonna start. But he didn't start from the end. It was just horrible. I felt like my scalp was going to fall off because of the amount of tension. He was just combing it with this comb. It's not rattle comb, it's not white tooth comb, just the one in between, and my hair was dry. He was just combing it out. I'm trying to understand why he needs to comb my hair out so much when he's actually going to blow dry it at the same time. I enjoyed that. It was about 30 minutes of trying to comb my hair because he kept on going and going. And then when that was over, he brought the flat iron to blow dry my hair. he brought a flat iron to blow dry my hair, and I'm like, excuse me sir, this is not what should be used to blow dry the hair. Mind you, he was not putting any heat protectants. He was just going to use the flat iron to run my hair down, and all these things is just to get a proper box braid that people can do on themselves without even having to blow dry their hair. They use African trading method, they use braids as I'm doing, just straight their hair out. I was going to risk damaging my curl pattern just to get braids. I told him, sir, please, this is how it's supposed to be done. And he told me, do you own a hair salon? No. I asked him, no, of course. He asked me if I knew how to handle my hair. That's why did I come to his salon, that if I want him to continue working, I should just let him do his job. But he's not doing his job correctly, and I obviously did not own a flow dryer then, and I went to get a box braid because I could not make my hair. And I didn't get the box braid at the end of the day. I just paid him for breaking my hair in the name of combing it, paid him for nothing, and I left the salon. I just told myself that day that I'm going to learn how to take care of my hair, because I've had so many bad experiences, from losing my edges because I'm trying to get fitting braids, and I even got called demonic because I was wearing my puff out. A lady by the roadside said that my 4C hair in a puff. I'm going to insert a picture of such puff that I wear. My hair is all kinky, which I love. I love wearing my hair in a shrunken, kinky state, and then I put it in a puff when I want to. She called it demonic. There is this thing in Africa where people that consult whatever power that they consult, I don't know what it's called in the US over there, but the spiritualists, they normally keep dreadlocks, and the woman just said that one of those spiritualists that keep dreadlocks, because their dreadlocks are normally free form and they put cowries and red things that just symbolizes the kind of thing that they do. So the woman said, I am one of them. I just don't know it yet, but I am one of them because of my 4C hair. So she associated my 4C hair with spiritualists, and that was really, really disturbing for me. She kept on saying, look at how fine she looks like mommy water. In Nigeria is a bad thing, in Africa is a whole bad thing, and this woman literally talked about me, insinuated I'm that kind of person, evil, demonic person, just because of my 4C hair. She doesn't know me. I was so sad about that. So I made a decision to just learn about 4C hair, learn to love my hair, and to take care of my hair using products that are 4C friendly, because it's not all products that really work for 4C hair, and then the companies try to sell it to us. No shit. That is why I am so happy for the sponsor of this video, 4C Only. 4C Only is a brand that is dedicated to 4C women only. Because of the discrimination in the natural hair industry, in the whole world in general, 4C Only decided that 4C hair should be celebrated instead of being discriminated against, and they created a wonderful super moisturizing product for 4C hair only, but help us to love, to nurture, and to start the revolution, because baby girl, the revolution is moisturized. We are no longer going to be called dirty or dry or anything that we've been called before in the past, or being charged extra when we go to the salon because 4C hair is deemed difficult. Now every time I go to a salon, they always charge me better, and then I get the ugly comments of, when are you going to relax your hair? Your hair is going to be much easier to take care of when you relax it. But the funny question is, why are people that are relaxed returning back to natural? I'm going to leave that for the stylist and every other person that asked me to relax my hair that is going to be very long to answer. So we are done. You can see how sleek my braids look, courtesy of the Too Sleek styling cream. Hi guys, so it's morning and my hair is all dry. We're just going to take it down now. You guys have heard my story. You know how I started my natural hair journey, what I went through, and now you can see how much I love my hair, how much growth I've achieved. And I just want you guys to never ever let anyone talk down on your hair. Don't let that stylist, that neighbor, the stranger that just reaches out to touch your hair or just tells you your hair looks like a mop, to let you think of your hair as any less beautiful. Love your hair at every point of your natural hair journey, whether it is still very short at the moment. Don't keep wishing you had longer hair, you had more voluminous hair before you love your hair. Sis, love your hair at this moment, because only when you love your hair that you can rock it, you can convince others that you love your hair, and they cannot make you feel bad about something you love, you are proud of, makes you more confident. Visit good hairstylists that you know are not going to damage your hair. Use healthy products and show your hair some tender loving care every day. Hey guys, so I went off camera, flossed my hair out, put some pink makeup, and we are looking all good. This is the final result of my hair. I'm loving how fluffy it is, and this thing dried so quickly. Even though I used a little bit of blow dryer to just accelerate the process, but it dries quickly and my hair still feels so soft and moisturized. Thank you Fossy Only once more for sponsoring this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful braid out tutorial. Let me know if you try this tutorial on yourself, and don't forget to check out my Instagram at naturalblackgirl2 for daily hair tips and everything else about me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.